Last month, I had the honor of traveling to Sedona with a couple colleagues, and we participated in a microbiome conference virtually together. But through that experience, we were able to mastermind and talk about all kinds of fun things. One of them being mouth taping, which is sort of my obsession of November, December 2020. So let's talk about mouth taping. It's become very popular recently. There's a new book called Breath by James Nestor that's on my read list. And here's how I perceive or understand the benefits of mouth taping. So what we are doing often is breathing through our mouth, and mouth breathing is associated with shallow breathing or chest breathing. Let me back up. Do you ever wake up, especially in the winter time, with kind of like dry mouth, dry throat, etc.? You're sleeping with your mouth open. And I think it varies depending on what's going on. And it varies depending on how great our nasal integrity is. So, shout out to the nasal washing and rinsing episode. Go back and listen to that one. I have a lot of thoughts about nasal stuff, but back to mouth breathing and nasal breathing. So the point of taping your mouth shut, and this isn't a kidnapping scene, it's like a butterfly tape up and down. But the point of doing this at night is because then you can breathe through your nose. So nose breathing is really more associated with diaphragmatic or belly breathing, which is like really activates our rest and digest or, calming nervous system side. And mouth breathing is really associated with shallow breathing, not really getting in that great oxygen, and chest breathing. And that's really associated with like kind of fight or flight. So when we breathe through our nose, we're improving that nitric oxide, and nitric oxide is essential for oxygenation. Low nitric oxide is probably associated, one, with send this to all your friends with ED, erectile dysfunction. Sleep apnea could really benefit from improved oxygenation. You may have seen this. Sometimes you'll see on grocery store shelves, you'll see this, I don't know what you call them, but it's like an active energy shot, and it's like beet juice, because beet juice is really big for increasing nitric oxide. So we're thinking we're improving nitric oxide. We're improving oxygenation, which is naturally going to improve energy during the day. So we want to improve overall deeper sleep as well. So it's also associated with that. So while we were in Arizona, we were together a couple nights with mouth taping. The first night results, I have a ring that really monitors my sleep. And so what's a normal amount of deep sleep, not REM sleep, but deep sleep, is 1.5 to 2 hours. I got 2.5 hours of deep sleep the first night I mouth taped. The person next to me, she's a practitioner who I think she's 48, and she's at the phase in her life where she says, I was getting up to urinate a couple times a night. First night of mouth taping, no waking up to pee in the middle of the night. Amazing. It's because getting into that deep sleep is supposed to suppress the signal to tell your body to wake up and urinate. And so frequently we get a decreased amount of deep sleep as we get older. So this is like a really hot problem. And this is a very cheap, practically free solution. So what you can do is look in your medicine cabinet for micropore or paper tape. It's not so sticky. I like to use some lip balm, so it's not sticking to my lips. I still haven't graduated to real mouth taping tape. I have some coming. I bought the cheap stuff, but again, this isn't like duct tape. This isn't a kidnapping across your mouth. It's almost like a butterfly band-aid, up and down, just to hold your lips shut. If you're anxious about it, or you think you can't breathe through your nose well, which I know is going to be a thing, you want to go ahead and try it while you're awake. And props to my friend Robin, I did not think of this. So go ahead and try it while you're awake before you go to bed and just see how it goes. Okay. So if you do try mouth taping, I'd love to hear what you get from it. Go on over to lessstresslife.com, click on that SpeakPipe app, and drop me a voicemail. Have a good one. Do you need to detox? January is really a time where the word detox gets thrown around and people spew all kinds of craziness on both sides of the fence. But here's the thing. We need to show respect where respect is due, my friends. Detox is amazing, and I happen to have a pretty intimate connection and knowledge on what detox looks like and when it is slowed. From waking up with a puffy face or your eyes being swollen or retaining water weight or having skin stuff like acne, eczema, etc. pop up, or identifying as a sweaty person, not handling alcohol like I did when I was 21, not waking up energized, waking up in the middle of the night, even some interesting eye symptoms I can trace to my detox systems. So what do you do? Well, thank God this is a podcast and not a Twitter post because it doesn't fit in 140 characters. When people ask me questions like, what do you think of this chlorella supplement or dandelion tea or juice cleanse? I want to sit down and give you the 101 on what's happening inside your body so you know exactly if and what that tea or supplement will or will not help. That's why I'm doing a live detox masterclass on January 8th. Don't worry, a replay will be available if you register for the live version. In my detox masterclass, you'll get the Detox 411 of what's going on the inside and outside of your body, plus simple shifts you can make to make these systems work better. You'll get how often you should give your body some love on your detox pathways so your skin, digestion, energy, and just your body in general runs at its absolute best. You'll also get my 2-week detox protocol that you can use, then rinse and repeat to affect everything from how much fluid you're retaining to improving sleep and energy to how much you sweat to that bare nose that you have. I've been wanting to do this forever and we're finally doing it. So just go to kristabigler.com/detox to take my Do You Need to Detox quiz and register for this jam-packed masterclass. You do not want to miss it. So we'll have this link in the show notes as well, but it's kristabigler.com/detox. I'll see you there.